Good morning. Welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we did have a few snow showers across the region early this morning. Saw about an inch of accumulation up around the Salisbury area. Lesser amounts as you work your way down the shore here at Wallops, not really picking up too much at all. A trace of snow reported with some light snow shower activity right around the hours of around 5 to 6 a.m. this morning. But everything seems to be moving off the coast now, and we will see a gradual decrease in our cloudiness as we go throughout the morning and the afternoon. We will be left with some rather breezy conditions and chilly conditions as well, with winds currently gusting over 25 knots. Here you can see on the current surface analysis this area of low pressure intensifying as it pulls off the coast. Snow shower activity across the northeast United States this morning, and that will all be exiting the coastline as we go throughout the day today. For us, high pressure will be building in to the region as we go throughout the day today, and we'll see more sunshine as a result as we go throughout the next couple of days. I'm going to take a look here at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release. You can see those winds out in the northwest at around 34 knots at the 1,000-foot level, increasing with height up to the 25,000 feet level. We see west southwest wind at around 112 knots, and the freezing level this morning was right at the surface. Taking a look here at our live cam off to the west, you can see plenty of low level cloudiness right around 2,500 feet this morning, looking off to the west, and then some clearing in the far distance that will be making its way a little closer as we go throughout the day today. You can see that on satellite here as well. Those streamers coming across the Chesapeake Bay starting to make their way a little farther to the southeast and out of our area. So we will see more sunshine over the course of the late morning hours today. We'll look here at our high resolution model. This is the HRRR looking across the region here for the next couple of days. Looking at really no real threat for precipitation as we go throughout the day today. We did see a few flurries still lingering about an hour ago, but that activity has come to an end, and we look to stay dry the remainder of the day today. As we go into the overnight hours, we'll see mostly clear skies tonight, a very chilly night in store for us as those lows will be dropping to around 20 degrees across the Wallops area. And then for tomorrow, we'll see lighter winds, but still rather chilly temperatures with highs only in the 30s once again tomorrow, after seeing a day of highs in the 30s today as well. As we look here at our European model and what we can expect for the next several days, looking out in advance about a week in time, really not expecting too many systems going through. We'll see our first one coming through as we go into the Sunday night period. So a fairly quiet Saturday for you. And then as we get into Sunday evening, this is about 7 o'clock local time, you can start to see some of those showers just off to the northwest. We'll see a much warmer day on Sunday as the winds will pick up out of the south, bringing in a warmer air mass right ahead of that front. But as the front passes through early Monday, we'll see some rather chilly conditions for the first part of next week. The rain should be ending as we go through the Monday morning hours, and we'll see a return to some sunshine, but also a return to some rather chilly conditions as we will see high temperatures once again only in the 30s to start out the beginning of next week, and some very chilly overnight lows. Looking for an extended forecast here as we go into the middle of next week. Really no significant weather systems going through, but we will be under the influence of that Arctic high pressure that will be really lingering through most of the week next week. We will see some moderating temperatures as we go into the end of the week, especially as we push towards Thursday, but a little bit of a frontal boundary will bring us just a chance of a shower late in the week as well, which I will point out in our 7-day forecast. So taking a look here at our 24-hour risk chart, you can see the main hazardous weather criteria will be for those windy conditions as we go throughout the day today. So wind advisory is expected to remain posted throughout the afternoon, and then seeing a drop off of our winds as we go into the evening. See a daytime high today of 36, and then overnight tonight, breezy conditions continuing, gusting to around 18 with those temperatures right around 20. Will make it feel like it's close to around 10 degrees out there overnight tonight. So a rather chilly night expected for us and into the wee hours of Saturday morning. Looking at the next 7 days, we're going to see, again, our cold front move through Sunday night to Monday morning. That'll be the best chance for precipitation across the next 7 days. And then as we get into the beginning of next week, you can see rather chilly air behind that front. A high of 31 degrees expected for your Tuesday, with overnight lows right around 20 degrees for Monday night and Tuesday night. And then a little bit warmer air mass works its way in for the middle to late portion of next week. We'll see a frontal boundary, a little bit of a disturbance move through Wednesday night into Thursday. It does look like it's not going to be much moisture associated with that front, so only about a 20% risk for seeing precipitation Wednesday night and Thursday morning at this time. So that'll wrap it up for our daily weather forecast briefing. We'll be back again Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice weekend.